Now we'll see how to connect this motor mount part to the flying wing. Now this way the motor will be fixed at the front of the wing, at the front. Okay, so there are these four holes are there. There these notches are there. That will go and fix it just tight here. Yeah, so like this. Now these two holes are there. In that hole, you just take the sharp end of a barbecue stick and put it here through this, and then into the foam plate here, this foam plate. Okay, and to make two holes, both the holes like this. Yeah, and then remove this. Now you see these two holes are there. Just help the holes a little bit more. Yeah, and in those holes insert the barbecue skewer a little bit, like take two uneven sizes, two pieces. So you take this stick, this is the barbecue stick, cut it in uneven size. One stick, let it be slightly larger than the other, I'll tell you why, and then cut it. Yeah, and then slightly the other one also slightly sharpen it, because it will be easy to get into the hole in the motor mount side. Yeah. Now these two sticks are there. You see this? One is bigger, one is smaller. Now you take this, and the blunt side, the sharp side should be facing outside. This is the sharp side. So I am holding the sharp side. With that, the blunt side, you just insert it like this and then do a dry fit. Okay, one will be slightly bigger, one will be slightly smaller. You can see it like this here. So why we are keeping one bigger and one smaller, you will know when we are trying to insert the motor mount. So into this holes apply glue and take the stick, the sharp end let it be outside, insert it like this. Okay, so the two sticks are pointing out. One is slightly bigger, one is slightly smaller, and another one is bigger. Why we want to keep it uneven sizes? When you are inserting into these holes, when it is uneven, you can insert it into the one hole first, and then the next hole. That will be easier to insert. Now insert it, and then after that you can again press these things into the notches. So this is how you fix the motor mount. And here there are two holes at the top. Yeah, I'll show it. I will remove this. There, that will be connected over here. I'll show you how. Now the back side also there is a hole. Just open this hole and then bigger, and then insert this stick a little, and then just leave about 1 centimeter on both sides and cut it. Okay. So now this barbecue skewer is attached. To fix it, what you do is insert it into these holes in the front slowly, and then fix it into those notches. Now take a barbecue skewer, the sharp side. There is a stick here coming out now. This stick around here. Just make a hole into the wing using the barbecue skewer, through and through, like this. It's coming on the other side. Yeah. Okay. And here also, just this side also make a like this. So these two holes are there. Now we are going to attach the back side using rubber bands. Just loosen the hole by doing like this. Yeah. Okay. Now what we do is take a lengthy rubber band like this, and then take the barbecue skewer. At the blunt side, what you do is make a small V notch kind of thing by cutting off a little, like we have to insert the rubber band through that small hole. For that we need a V notch. Yeah, cut a small V notch here at the tip. Now just take the rubber band and place it on the V notch like this, so that the rubber band is there. You insert it here. Hope you can see the notch here. There's a V kind of a cut at the edge I have made. In that edge you can keep this rubber band and then stretch so that you can insert it through this hole and come through the other side like this. Yeah, so like that you get the purpose is we'll insert the rubber band and then from here we'll be running it through, and then there we'll be connecting it. See, now I inserted here, the rubber band has come this side. Yeah, now the rubber band you can leave it free and just put it here into this place, and then other side also repeat the same. This is a bit tricky. If you can come up with some other idea, like you can permanently fix the motor mount also if you want, but I don't want to fix it permanently by gluing it. Okay, that's why I'm doing all this troublesome work. Now the motor mount is totally fixed because the rubber band is tightly there. Other way is you can permanently glue the motor mount also here, but I don't want to glue the motor mount permanently. That's why I'm using this tricky rubber band trick. Yeah, it is a little difficult, but if you want to permanently attach this motor mount, just apply glue here, and then permanently attach this motor mount to the wing. Now you can attach the motor here and the servos, and then you're good to go and fly. Okay, thank you. Now the edge of the wings, you can have these winglets. Yeah, this side apply glue and there is a notch here. After applying glue, just fix it like this. Okay, so with that you can during landings also the wing will be safeguarded. Both the sides you can fix the winglets. Simply just apply glue to the side of the wing here, and then after applying glue, just using the notch, just align and then fix it, and your flying wing is done and ready.